Clear, radiant skin isn't just a matter of good genetics, it's a mirror of our inner balance and overall well-being. When our body functions harmoniously, it shows. But when we're burdened by stress, pollution, poor diet, or lack of rest, our skin often reveals it first, through dullness, acne, or premature aging. Every single day, we're exposed to environmental toxins, processed foods, synthetic chemicals, and emotional stress that overload our body's natural detox systems, especially the liver, kidneys, and skin. Yet, nature has given us gentle and powerful allies, herbs that cleanse, renew, and restore harmony from within. In today's video, we'll explore 5 remarkable herbs that support deep detoxification and help your skin regain its natural glow. Not through quick fixes or harsh chemicals, but by nurturing your body's natural healing power. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Herbal Flavors, and click the bell icon so you won't miss our daily videos about herbal medicine, wellness, and natural living. Let's begin our journey toward clearer, healthier skin, from the inside out. 1. Burdock Root, the Deep Skin Cleanser. Burdock root, Arctium lapa, has been treasured for centuries in traditional medicine across Europe, Asia, and North America. It's known as one of nature's most effective blood purifiers. Inside this humble root lies a powerful combination of antioxidants, quercetin, lutein, and phenolic acids, which fight free radicals and protect your body against oxidative stress, one of the main causes of skin aging and inflammation. What sets burdock apart is its dual action. It purifies the blood while also enhancing skin circulation. This means more oxygen and nutrients reach your skin cells, leading to a smoother texture, fewer blemishes, and a brighter complexion. For centuries, healers have turned to burdock to relieve eczema, psoriasis, and acne, thanks to its antibacterial and antifungal properties. You can take it as a tea, decoction, or tincture, and it works wonderfully when combined with dandelion root for a deeper cleanse. Over time, burdock helps balance oil production, clear toxins, and bring back that natural, luminous glow. 2. Dandelion root, the liver's best friend. Often dismissed as a mere weed, the dandelion, Taraxacum officinale, is actually a powerhouse of healing. Its roots are packed with bitters, vitamin A, potassium, and inulin, a prebiotic that supports a healthy gut. Together, these nutrients make dandelion one of the most effective herbs for liver and gallbladder support. The liver is your body's primary detox organ, filtering everything you eat, drink, and breathe. When it's overwhelmed, toxins begin to show up through your skin. Dandelion root stimulates bile production, improves digestion, and helps the body efficiently eliminate waste, leaving your skin clearer and more radiant. It's also a gentle hormonal balancer, helping the liver metabolize excess estrogen, one of the underlying causes of adult acne and hormonal breakouts. You can enjoy dandelion root as tea, roasted coffee substitute, or liquid extract. Combined with burdock root, it forms a traditional herbal detox tonic that purifies the blood, supports digestion, and restores the skin's vitality. 3. Nettle leaf, nature's anti-inflammatory multivitamin. Nettle leaf, Urtica dioica, is truly a gift from nature. Rich in iron, magnesium, calcium, vitamin C, and chlorophyll, it's one of the most nutrient-dense plants known to herbalists. Its anti-inflammatory power works wonders for the skin. Nettle helps calm acne, eczema, and even rosacea, while its gentle diuretic properties support the kidneys in flushing out toxins through the urine rather than through the skin, keeping your complexion clear and calm. But nettle doesn't stop there. Its high silica and sulfur content helps strengthen hair, nails, and connective tissue, giving you a more youthful and resilient appearance. Many natural beauty tonics and shampoos include nettle for its revitalizing effects. Try drinking nettle tea daily, especially during seasonal transitions like spring and summer when your body naturally detoxes more actively. For a complete skin renewing blend, combine nettle with red clover and milk thistle. 4. Red clover. The hormonal balancer and gentle detoxifier red clover, Trifolium pratense, stands out as one of the most elegant detox herbs in nature. Its vibrant pink blossoms are rich in isoflavones, natural plant compounds that help regulate hormonal fluctuations, one of the most common causes of adult skin issues. Beyond its hormonal balancing benefits, red clover acts as a blood purifier and lymphatic tonic, helping the body eliminate cellular waste through the lymphatic system, the hidden highway of detoxification often overlooked in modern health routines. Its gentle action makes it particularly effective for chronic skin conditions like eczema, psoriasis, and persistent acne. Rich in vitamin E, calcium, and magnesium, it nourishes the skin from within, promoting smoother texture and natural radiance. You can drink it as tea by steeping the blossoms for 10 to 15 minutes or use it as a tincture. Combined with nettle or burdock, it creates a gentle, long-term rejuvenating formula for glowing skin and hormonal harmony. 5. Milk thistle. The ultimate liver protector milk thistle, Silybum marianum, has earned a legendary reputation in modern herbal medicine. Its active compound, silymarin, helps repair and regenerate liver cells, which is essential for anyone wanting truly radiant, healthy skin. The liver's health directly reflects on your complexion. When it functions efficiently, it filters out toxins, balances hormones, and regulates fat metabolism, all of which keep your skin clear and bright. Milk thistle not only supports liver detox but also protects it from oxidative damage caused by pollutants, medications, and processed foods. Beyond detox, milk thistle contributes to collagen synthesis, aiding in firmness and elasticity, two cornerstones of youthful skin. You can take it as capsules, tea, or tincture, and regular use enhances both your internal wellness and external beauty. Cherry blossom bringing it all together. When you combine burdock root, dandelion root, nettle leaf, red clover, and milk thistle, you create a natural synergy. A full-spectrum detox system that supports your liver, kidneys, lymph, and skin. These herbs don't just work on the surface. They cleanse the root causes of imbalance, helping your body find its rhythm again. Drink them as teas, rotate them throughout the week, or use them in gentle tincture blends. Alongside hydration, clean eating, exercise, and rest, they become part of a lifestyle that helps your skin and your spirit shine. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you'll never miss our next daily video on herbal medicine, wellness, and natural living. For those of you who want to go deeper, explore our premium ebook, Herbal Flavors, Lose Weight the Healthy Way. It's filled with herbal recipes, detox teas, and natural weight loss tips that nourish your body while improving digestion, skin health, and vitality. You'll find the link in the description below. We've also listed a few of our favorite herbal essentials. Herba tea infuser bottle for your on-the-go brews. Sparkles and herbal harmonizer rich in antioxidants, cherry blossom and a ceramic oil diffuser to bring peace and calm into your space. Thank you for watching, and remember, radiant skin begins within. Trust nature, care for your body, and let the healing power of herbs awaken your natural glow.